Are you tired of uneven cooking and sticky foods ruining your meals? This Vinchef stainless steel wok pan with glass lid promises to solve all your cooking woes while providing an elegant and efficient cooking experience. If you're looking for a reliable, durable, and versatile frying pan that can tackle all your kitchen needs, this 12-inch non-stick stir-frying pan is the ultimate solution. Why you should choose the Vinchef stainless steel wok pan. The Vinchef stainless steel wok pan offers an excellent combination of high-quality materials, innovative design, and user-friendly features that will elevate your cooking game. With its German-imported technology, food-grade stainless steel, and PFOA-free non-stick surface, this wok is built to last while ensuring a safe, non-toxic cooking experience. Whether you're an experienced chef or a home cook, the versatility of this pan ensures you can tackle everything from stir-frying to braising, stews, and curries with ease. This induction-compatible wok offers a flat-bottom design ensuring even heat distribution with no hot spots, so your meals cook faster and more efficiently. The deep base and glass lid with a breathing hole are perfect for preventing spillage while locking in heat and moisture for perfect results every time. Key features and benefits. The Vinchef wok pan is made from food-grade stainless steel, providing superior durability. Thanks to German-imported technology, this wok is free from toxic chemicals and PFOA, giving you peace of mind while cooking. The anti-scratch coating further ensures this wok lasts for years without degrading. This 12-inch wok is the ideal size for cooking a variety of meals, from stir-fries to curries, pasta, stews, and more. Whether you're preparing a small batch or cooking for a crowd, this pan has the space and performance you need to create perfectly cooked meals every time. One of the most important features of this wok is its flat-bottom design. It heats up evenly, ensuring that your food cooks consistently without any hot spots. Whether you're stir-frying vegetables or searing meat, you'll experience faster cooking and perfect browning with every dish. The Vinchef wok pan is designed to be compatible with all types of stovetops, including induction, gas, electric, and ceramic cooktops. The stainless steel base ensures quick and even heating, while the induction compatibility means you'll have no trouble cooking on modern stovetops. The ergonomic hollow metal handle is designed for comfort and to stay cool while you're cooking. No more worrying about burning your hands while flipping food. This handle also offers excellent airflow technology, keeping it cool and easy to maneuver. The Vinchef wok pan comes equipped with a glass lid that features a breathing hole, allowing for optimal moisture retention and steam control. This lid fits snugly on the wok, ensuring that the heat stays trapped inside, which speeds up cooking and enhances flavor. No more struggling with stubborn food residue. The non-stick surface ensures that food doesn't stick to the pan, making cleanup a breeze. The dishwasher-safe design allows you to throw it in the dishwasher for a hassle-free cleaning experience, saving you time and effort. The Vinchef wok pan is not only rust-proof, but also designed to last for years with minimal maintenance. With its durable stainless steel body, this wok is resistant to rust, ensuring it remains in top condition for a long time. Pros: durable construction, food-grade stainless steel for long-lasting use. Even heating, flat bottom ensures consistent heat distribution. Versatile, suitable for various cooking styles like stir-fries, curries, and more. Comfortable handle, ergonomic stay-cool design. Induction-compatible, works on all stovetops. Glass lid, helps retain moisture for steaming and slow cooking. Easy cleanup, non-stick surface and dishwasher safe. Cons: size, 12 inches may not be enough for very large families. Maintenance, requires proper use to maintain non-stick coating. Price, slightly higher than basic non-stick pans. Conclusion: if you're looking for a durable, versatile, and high-performance wok, the Vinchef stainless steel wok pan with glass lid is an excellent choice. With its even heat distribution, non-stick surface, induction compatibility, and ergonomic design, it ensures that you can cook with ease, whether you're whipping up a quick stir-fry or simmering a slow-cooked stew. Its health-conscious, non-toxic construction makes it a great option for anyone looking to cook in a safe and efficient way. This wok delivers excellent value and will quickly become a staple in your kitchen. Don't miss out. Upgrade your cookware collection with the Vinchef stainless steel wok pan today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.